Good morning, this is Melissa Ritter with Melissa Ritter Marketing, and I want to shoot a quick video for you today. Google is famous for giving us things and then taking them back and then giving them back. And what I'm going to show you today is something that they've given back to us, and I'm very excited about it because it's extremely helpful with your Google My Business, Google Maps listings. So I'm going to walk you through how to add your business description. If you've had your Google My Business page up for more than a couple of years, you likely set this up when you created the Google My Business account, and you may have not noticed that it disappeared. So now we have the opportunity to add our business description in Google My Business. So if you go over here to Info, scroll down, and you see it says Add Business Description. Now when I first got this client, I added this business description, but then Google took it away. So they just recently gave us an opportunity to add it back in. So just click on the little pencil, and they give you 750 characters. So I would recommend typing out your description in Notepad or Word, and then get it to what you want it to look like, and then paste it in here. So if you just type in your description, click Apply, and that alone could help with Google Maps listings. Hope you enjoyed this. Have a great day.